Today's topic is about PIL, that is public interest litigation. So let's get started.
Are you confused? Don't worry, we will understand each, one by one.
What is PIL? Public interest litigation, PIL, is a medium through which public issues involving minority or disadvantaged groups or individuals are raised through litigation or legal proceedings. In simple words, public interest litigation, PIL, is the result of judicial activism through which an individual or a non-governmental organization or civic group can seek justice in court on issues involving large public interest.
Where can a PIL be filed?
Public interest petitions can be filed only in the Supreme Court or the High Court.
Who can file PIL?
Any Indian citizen can file a PIL, the only condition being that it should be filed in the public interest rather than private interest. If an issue is of very public importance, many times the court also takes suo motu cognizance in such a case and appoints a lawyer to handle such a case. How to file a PIL? Before filing a PIL, the petitioner should thoroughly investigate the related matter. If the PIL is related to many people, then the petitioner should consult all the people. Once a person has decided to file a PIL, he should collect all relevant information and documents to strengthen his case. The person filing the PIL can either debate himself or appoint a lawyer. Generally, in any case, it is advisable to consult a lawyer. If a PIL is filed in the High Court, then 2 copies of the petition have to be submitted in the court. Also, a copy of the petition has to be sent in advance to each defendant and proof of this has to be added to the PIL. If a public interest litigation, PIL, is filed in the Supreme Court, then 5 copies of the petition have to be submitted in the court. The copy of the PIL is sent to the respondent only when a notice is issued by the court for it. What is the fees for filing a PIL? Public interest litigation is cheaper than in other court cases. Each defendant mentioned in a PIL has to pay a fee of 50 rupees and it has to be mentioned in the petition. However, the cost incurred in the entire proceedings depends on the lawyer whom the petitioner authorizes to argue on his behalf.
What is the difference between a PIL and writ petition?
The writ petition is filed by individuals or institutions for their own benefit,
while the public interest litigation is filed for the benefit of the general public.
Don't forget to give us a like. Thank you for watching.